Controversial claim. Realme Narzo 55G beats big brands at half the price? Does your phone's constant lagging make every swipe feel like a chore, trapping you in endless frustration? Buffers during calls, frozen screens mid-text. It's like text playing a prank on your patience. Share your top gripe in the comments. Say signal sabotage or app apocalypse. The Realme Narzo 55G steps in as the affordable 5G wizard ready to banish those blues. Hang tight for the twist that turns tech woes into wins. Notifications flooding in, apps crashing under pressure, and your device fading out when you need it most. That exhaustion from unreliable gear bites deep. What if a sleek solution handed you effortless 5G mastery minus the madness? If tech tantrums have you at wit's end, the Narzo 55G hints at a calmer command center. Intrigued by this budget breakthrough? Press play for the promise of peace. Behold the Realme Narzo 55G, a hyper-blue marvel redefining budget 5G dominance with its 6.6-inch FHD plus IPS LCD boasting 90Hz refresh for ultra-smooth navigation, 1080 by 2408 resolution popping with vivid details, and a punch-hole selfie cam for immersive views. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810, 6nm octa-core at 2.4 GHz. It juggles tasks with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage expandable via microSD, delivering lag-free multitasking and gaming on Mali-G57 GPU. Camera highlights. 48-megapixel wide main with PDAF for sharp, colorful shots, 2-megapixel depth for artistic portraits, and 8-megapixel front for clear selfies, all enhanced by night mode, AI scene recognition, HDR, and 1080p video. The 5,000 mAh battery endures heavy use, juiced by 33-watt dart charge for quick top-ups. Running Realme UI 3.0 on Android 12, upgradable. It offers clean, snappy software. Dual SIM unlocked for GSM Global Freedom, plus Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 5, USB-C, 3.5mm jack, and side fingerprint scanner. Imagine a traveler ditching spotty connections for seamless 5G roaming, or a creator capturing flawless moments on the fly. Skeptical on value? Its lightweight design and prism backshine premium. Quick reward. Enable virtual RAM for extra speed. Bonus awaits at video's end. Dive into the Realme Narzo 55G's world of amplified efficiency, where 5G connectivity slashes wait times for downloads and streams. The 90Hz display whispers silky scrolls that soothe your senses, and the Dimensity 810 chipset fuels focused performance without overheating drama. Battery life stretches like an endless horizon, minimizing interruptions, while fast charging revives your flow in a flash. One expert enthused. This budget beast's performance per dollar is unbeatable, blending 5G prowess with everyday reliability. An influencer chimed in. The vibrant camera snaps make social sharing a joy, colors pop like fireworks. Analysts declare it's reshaping entry-level standards, pushing 5G adoption with smart features. A user beamed. From workhorse battery to crystal-clear calls, it's my daily hero. Questioning the LCD over AMOLED? The 90Hz fluidity trumps color depth for most, turning skeptics into fans. Feel that intuitive pull. Thousands buzz about its unlocked versatility, handling games like Genshin Impact with ease and portraits that rival pricier peers. Is the expandable storage your lifesaver, or the dual SIM switcheroo? Drop a comment with your pick. This isn't mere tech. It's a controversial claim to budget supremacy, blending hype with hard-hitting value that leaves competitors scrambling. Your gut knows it's a steal. Explore why now. Act fast. Realme Narzo 55G units are vanishing quick. Align with legions who've embraced blazing 5G, marathon battery, and that hypnotic 90Hz glide, transforming tech troubles into triumphs. One analyst spotlighted a milestone in affordable innovation. If sluggish devices drain your drive, this unlocked powerhouse revamps your routine. Tap the link to claim yours and reveal a stealthy UI customization for ultimate personalization. Shout, Narzo Boost, in comments if you're geared up. Hesitate no more. Seize the Narzo 55G and ignite your mobile mastery today.